Hey, I'm Adam.
Hey, I'm Melissa. We're here at the T3 Sterling building in the Lower Junction neighborhood of Toronto.
Come for a ride with us as we check out this innovative building.
We'll be riding one of the Gen 2 elevators that Otis installed in this new commercial building. From inside the elevator, it looks like a typical installation, but it was a very unique installation as we installed this elevator in a timber hoist way. Timber is a growing innovation in the construction market here in Toronto. Timber is known to be sustainable and environmentally friendly. There are many benefits to using timber construction in the workplace. Not only is timber renewable, recyclable, and non-toxic, there are also many natural benefits to timber.
Yeah, this was one of my favorite projects, the way that we collaborated and innovated to meet the customer needs, and I truly believe that together we can do anything. Due to the unique structure of the building, Otis had to come up with innovative ways to attach the elevator to the timber. It was a challenge, but just another way that we deliver for our clients.
Thanks for riding with us. If you're in Toronto, come visit T3 Sterling and check out all its sustainability features.